Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Techdo. If you want to highlight the tense atmosphere of your horrible videos, you need to add more suspense to your original video. Well, what you need is a smoke effect. To create an awesome smoke effect video, all you need is a flexible and user-friendly video editor. You can add the smoke effect in your intros and videos. There is a lot of editing software with various features in the market. However, finding out the best one will distract you. If you are a newbie in the field, considering the need, this video will help you. We will use Wondershare Filmora for this. I like Filmora because it is user-friendly and easy to use software. I have been using Filmora for more than 5 years for my YouTube video editing. Filmora has all the features of editing plus video templates and animation templates. And the good thing is it's also available for Windows and macOS. The link to this software is available in the video description. After installation, open this, you will see the interface like this. Here click on Create New Project. You will see the interface like this. Here import the video that you want to use. Or for example, I want to use text. So first go to stock media. And here search smoke and enter it. You can see they have many smoke effects. You can use anyone. For example, I want to use this one. Click on it. It will take a few seconds to download. Then import it to your timeline. You can drag and drop it to your timeline or just click on the plus icon. Now play it. Here it will show this like smoke. Now go to titles and go to plain text. Add the text to your timeline, then double click on it to open the properties or right click on it and click on edit properties. Here enter the text. You can also change the font size and its color. Now you need to click on video and here in blending mode, just change it normal to overlay. And now let me apply this text to my entire video. Just drag in till the end. And now let me play it. How it will show. Now you can see it, it's very easy to use it. And you can make stunning intros by using Wondershare Filmora. Once you are satisfied with your video, you can export it to your computer. Click on export. You can choose the file format like MP4, WMV, AVI, MKV. You can choose the file name, save path, resolution, and finally click on export. And it will save in your computer. So I think Wondershare Filmora is the best video editing software. The download link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.